This is my drawing of Tacorita, Bicicleta from Steel Brainrot, and today I'll guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We're going to start with a curve from left to right, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the nose, we're going to step out and draw the edge of the cheeks going up and then out. Let's draw two large circles in behind the cheeks. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a circle, going around toward the top of the eye, come down, and then in. Now we're going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eyes. So from the left side, we're going to draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and just pull that in underneath the cheeks. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center for the pupils. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this down and up towards the eye. Now we want to add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's open up the mouth. Starting back on the left, coming down and in towards the middle. Do the same thing on the right. And you want to layer the tongue on top of the mouth. So starting back on the left, we go up and then down, go up and then down towards the right. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve coming down towards the bottom of the tongue and then back up. Along the top of the mouth, we're going to add a curve from left to right for the teeth. Coming down and then up. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the tongue, we're going to add a fold for the lip. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Let's go back up to the top and draw on those thick eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, bend this up and then in. Line that up on the right. Now I want to round out the edge of the eyebrow. Go across the top and then round out the bottom. Let's go all the way back down towards the lip, step out to the side and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the left, draw the socket, going up, come around, and then in towards the fingers. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing in the opposite direction, coming around, and then in toward the hand. Now I'm going to layer the first finger on top. So we're going to step up, curve this down, go up, and then out. Let's layer 2 more fingers coming in. So we're going to start from the bottom, come around, up, and then out. Let's add 1 more finger. We're going to blend this into the arm, and then bend that out just on top. In between these 2 fingers, we're going to draw the bar. Going straight across, step down, and draw that again. Now, leaving a gap in the center, let's draw 2 lines. 1 from the left, 1 from the right, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's go to the outside of the arms. We're going to bend the taco, going out and then up towards the side. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to round this out, bend this up above the eyebrows, go across towards the right, bend that down, and then we'll round out that bottom corner. Let's tuck that lettuce along the top. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a wavy line. Just working our way around. You can vary the size of these waves, going all the way around the lettuce, and back in on the right side. I'm going to leave a gap along the bottom. Let's draw the tire. We're going to start with a curve, going up and then down. Draw 2 straight lines coming down the side. And then we'll round out the bottom of the tire. Let's go back up to the top corners. We're going to bend this out, come down the side of the tire about halfway. And we'll pull that straight in. Now in between those center fingers, we're going to add a curve for the body, coming down and in, and then back up. Let's go to the side. We're going to draw a straight line going across the left leg, bend this in and then down towards the foot, and then we'll round out the bottom of the foot going towards the outside. Let's curve the foot. We're gonna go up, across, and then down, leaving a gap on the inside. Now I'm gonna line this up over on the right, angle leg coming down and out. Bend this down towards the heel, and we'll round out the bottom of the foot. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Draw the top of the foot going up, and then bending that down. Let's draw the outside leg. Starting from the top of the foot, we're gonna go up, round out the knee, and just bend that in. Go on top of the right leg, we're gonna go up, and then bend that in. Just up above the left foot, we're gonna draw the edge of the boot, going up and then down. And then over on the right side, we're gonna come down and then out. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. Let's add the pedals under the foot. So starting right in the middle, come straight in and then up. Do the same thing on the right. On the right side, we're gonna step up, come in, up, and then in. Close off the top. Let's do the same thing on the left. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Tacorita Bicicleta. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.